Hey everyone, this is AJ from Mobius, and today we're going to demonstrate how to uncrate the Mobius M210 mill. To uncrate the M210, we only need to remove one side panel, so orient your crate with the side labeled "Open this end" facing your working area. The only tool you'll need for the next steps is a drill with a Phillips head bit. Remove the wood screws around the perimeter of the side panel, and then finish up by removing the screw on the top panel that is securing the side panel in place. Set this aside for later use. Next, remove the 2x4 that is securing the M210 within the crate by removing the screws on the outside. There are 2 screws at each end of the 2x4 that need to be removed. Now we're going to use the side panel as a ramp to roll the M210 out of the crate. Place the side panel with the top wood block facing up and toward the machine, using the lip of the crate base for support. We recommend using one of the screws you've removed to secure the ramp into place. Now you can unlock the casters and roll your new Mobius M210 into action. Note, the milling screens are packed in the collection tote in the base of the machine. For more information on the Mobius M210 mill, including the user guide and other instructional videos, please visit mobiustrimmer.com.